all students. Today we are going to discuss again class 12th biology chapter 12 nitrogen metabolism, and today's topic is ammonification, nitrification, and denitrification. And last is main topic of today is nitrogen cycle. First of all, ammonification. Students, ATION, it means process, it means ammonia, it means the process of formation of ammonia from organic compound, which is called ammonification. So the process of formation of ammonia and ammonium compounds by degradation, it means break of organic compounds in soil is called ammonification. So organic compound, next is ammonia or ammonium compound, which process is called ammonification by the degradation students. This process completed by some specific bacteria or some specific putrefying bacteria. Next is this process completed in two steps by putrefying bacteria. Once again, this process completed in two steps by putrefying bacteria. First is proteolysis, it means breakdown of protein is called proteolysis, like Pseudomonas and Clostridium bacteria. Next is deamination, it means breakdown of amino acid Once again, it means process, it means amine or amino acid, it means remove amino acid process, like different species of bacillus. Next process is nitrification. It means process, it means nitrate. Process nitrate, it means the process of formation of nitrate from ammonia, which is called nitrification. Oxidation of ammonia into nitrate is called nitrification. For example is ammonia convert into nitrate, which process is called nitrification on oxidation. Next is this process, it means process name is nitrification. This process completed in 2 steps by chemosynthetic bacteria. Students, chemosynthetic bacteria are autotrophs, but to get nutrition from chemicals. First is conversion of ammonia into nitrite ammonia. When ammonia oxidate by nitrosomonas bacteria and forms nitrite, it means nitrosomonas bacteria to convert ammonia into nitrite. Next is conversion of nitrite into nitrate. First is nitrite oxidate by nitrobacter bacteria and forms nitrite and energy. Next is denitrification. It means process, it means nitrate, it means remove, it means removing of nitrate is called denitrification, or the process which remove nitrate which is called denitrification. Once again, ATON it means process, nitrate means nitrate, D it means remove. the process of degradation, it means break of nitrate present in soil into free nitrogen by bacteria is called denitrification. Once again, nitrate convert in free N2, it means nitrogen. This process is called denitrification by Bacillus denitrificans. Second is Thiobacillus denitrificans. Students, proper land. Denitrify bacteria name Bacillus denitrificans and Thiobacillus denitrificans. These bacteria to convert nitrate into free nitrogen. Next is nitrogen cycle. Students, we studied in class 11th complete nitrogen cycle, and today I again draw nitrogen cycle. First is atmospheric nitrogen, approximately 78%. Next, absorption by plant, absorption by plants. Students, in soil some specific bacteria to fixate nitrogen, so it is called biological nitrogen fixation. In soil part, some symbiont, non-symbiont and free living bacteria to fixate nitrogen. These are organisms, so it is called biological nitrogen fixation. The fixate nitrogen absorbed by plants. Next, animals to get food from plants. Once again, animals to take food from plants, so plants nitrogen transfer to animal. Once again, animals to get food from plants, so plants some nitrogen transfer to animals. When the natural death of animals and natural death of plant, so plant nitrogen and animals nitrogen mixed in again soil, so death and decay of plants. Second, death and decay of death or natural death and decay of plants. Next, death and decay in animals, so some specific bacteria, some specific fungi to convert decaying nitrogen into ammonia. It is a toxic substance by bacteria and fungi. These bacteria and fungi are found in soil and convert to organic compound or nitrogen to ammonia. Next, in industries, formation of ammonia by Haber method. Next is industrial and to fixation. First time Haber scientist to forms to synthesis ammonia. So this method is called Haber method. So industrial nitrogen fixation, it means environmental nitrogen convert to ammonia in industries. So industrial nitrogen fixation or by volcano. So next, ammonia convert into nitrite by Nitrosomonas bacteria. Nitrosomonas bacteria to convert ammonia into nitrate. Next, free-living bacteria Nitrobacter to convert nitrite to nitrate. And mostly plant to absorb nitrogen as a nitrate form. So nitrate absorbed by plant. Next is two specific process. First is in rain season by electric charge. Once again, first by electric charge, students, in rain season, atmospheric nitrogen convert into nitrate by electric charge, like thunder. Once again, atmospheric nitrogen convert into nitrate by electric charge. Once again, atmospheric nitrogen directly convert into nitrate by electric charge in rain season. Next, soil nitrate convert into atmospheric nitrogen or free nitrogen. This process is called denitrification. It means process, it means nitrite, it means remove. Once again, removing of nitrate or soil nitrate convert into free nitrogen by Bacillus denitrificans and by Thiobacillus denitrificans, which process is called denitrification. Once again, nitrate convert to free nitrogen by Bacillus denitrificans and Thiobacillus denitrificans, which process is called denitrification. But in flood situation, some nitrate lost due to spag. So students, this is nitrogen cycle. Once again, atmospheric nitrogen about 78% absorbed by plant, but some specific microbes like rhizobium, bradyrhizobium, azorhizobium to fixate nitrogen. Next, absorb nitrogen transfer in animals, because mostly animals to take food from plants. So nitrogen transfer. When the natural death of plants and animals, so animals nitrogen and plants nitrogen mixed in soil. Some soil fungi and bacteria to convert in ammonia, which process is called ammonifications. But in industries, by first time Haber scientists to forms to synthesis of ammonia to formation of ammonia from nitrogen by Haber method. Next, ammonia convert in nitrite by Nitrosomonas bacteria. Next, nitrite convert to nitrate by Nitrobacter. Next, nitrate absorbed by plants. Next, in rain season, atmospheric nitrogen directly convert into nitrate by electric charge. Next, nitrate convert to free nitrogen, which process is called denitrification. This process completed by soil bacteria, Bacillus denitrificans and Thiobacillus denitrificans. So, nitrogen metabolism and nitrogen cycle chapter is completed. So, thanks. Have a nice day.